Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we got this iPad with a broken off headphone jack in the iPad here. So we're gonna try to take a very small drill, 1.5 millimeter drill, and try to drill it so we can get a hold of it and pull it out. So I'm gonna take a rag here. Try to secure it a little bit. Like that. I'm going to take the rotary tool. Maybe I need to change the yeah. Where is it? Here we go. Like that. And we are going to set the speed pretty slow in the beginning. And you have to be careful. You must try to be drill in the center of the headphone jack there, so you don't destroy anything in the iPad. I've done this before at least 3 or 4 times before, and once I screwed up, so but the rest of the times it worked. So I hope it works now because I'm filming it. So yeah, right, let's try it. You're not gonna see much, I suspect. My hand is gonna be in the way. I'll turn up the speed a little bit. There we got something. Let's see if I can get something to fish it up with. Not sure how well you can see. It's a little bit still in there. Just trying to get the drill to get stuck on the plastic of the pin in there. All right, let's try it. Oh, so close. See if I can get the small plier or something. This is too big. No. Oh, there it came. Where did it go? Gonna see if I... Oh, that was the first bit. There. So that's how you do it. I'm not sure you can see it here. I drilled into this. Just put the drill in and try to pull it out. I've seen some people try with put glue on and try to glue a stick on it and then pull up, but I don't recommend the gluing stuff in the head jack port, because what if you glue the stick to the iPad? What do you do then? Anyway, if you do it like this, be very careful. You don't want to drill into the iPad. You only want to drill in this one, the plug itself. And you need a very small drill. All right, just a quick video. Hope it can help someone with a similar problem. All right, if you like what you see, please subscribe. We're having pretty busy here in the garage right now. It looks like hell. We have the four-wheeler, the ATV, a couple of bikes, and still have the stoplight there. I have been sick. I am still sick, but I'm feeling a little better now. No fever at least. All right, and that's it for now. I'm gonna do a review of this new camera I got also. It's a Canon M50. I have no idea how the image quality is, because as I said, I've been sick. I haven't really tested it much, and it's a kind of complicated camera because, well, it's very many settings and shutter speeds and aperture, all new terminology for me. All right, I'm not gonna bore you any longer. See you on the next one. Bye.